Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your fifth tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, we wrote our first line of code, and in this tutorial, we are going to learn about HTML headings. So let's get started. Alright, HTML headings are used to write titles. Let me give you an example here. Let me open my Google Chrome. I got this article on BBC, as you can see here, bbc.com. So I want to know which heading they have used here. To do that, I will right click and then inspect. Now I'll find out which one they have used. As you can see here, they have used H1. So H1 is used to display the most important titles, okay, and H6 is used for list important headings, okay, like H2 and the rest are used to write subtitles, okay. Okay, now I have a trick here. You can actually change this title here, right? You can change it here. Let me show you how. When you come here, you double click it, okay. Once you double click it, it will be highlighted, as you can see here. Now you can write anything you want here, and whatever you write will be shown here. So let me say USA has recorded the highest cases of COVID-19. Okay, now you click anywhere. As you can see, the title got changed, but after we refresh it, it will not still be there. It will go back to how it was before. You can actually trick your friends. I once did that. When I did it, I tricked my friends and I told them that I got posted on BBC, and they believed it because they have no idea about coding and all that. Yeah, so if we refresh, it will go back to how it was before. Here you can see it here. Now it is the same title that we got when we opened the article. All right, that's I think you have learned something here. Now let's write our headings. We come here, as you can see, this is the first page that we created in the last tutorial. So let me open our folder, the folder where we saved our file, and then I will open it using Notepad. Open and then Notepad here. Okay, here is the code that we wrote the other day. Okay, I will just minimize this because I think I've already opened it here. Yeah. Now let me split my screen into two. I will choose this one. Now, actually, this one is H1. So I already introduced you to headings when we wrote our first line of code. So this one is H1 tag, the largest and the most important one. So let's try out H2 and the rest. Okay, let's say H2. This is H2 tag, and it is used to write subheadings. We close it, save it, Control S, or you come here and then you click save. Let's refresh it. As you can see, this is H2 tag and it is used to write subheadings. Now you see the size of this H1 and H2 are not equal. Okay, see the sizes are not equal. This one is big and this one is small. And then let's write H3 here. This is H3, it is used to write subheadings. Save it, refresh this. You see, it's smaller than h2. So the higher the number goes, the smaller the heading becomes. Okay, let's go to h4. H4, this is h4, and it is used to write subheadings. We close it, save it. You see, it's smaller than h3. We go to h5. h5, this is h5, and it is used to write subheadings. We close it. You see, it is smaller than h4. And then finally we have h6. h6, this one is the least, is h6, and it is the least important heading. H6, save it. You see, so h6 is the smallest. That's why it is used for the title that are not that important. Okay, maybe we can write something else instead of my first line of my first HTML code. We say this is h1, the most important heading. Save it, refresh. Yeah, you can see. So this one is the largest, followed by this and this and this and this. Okay guys, that's all for now. In the next tutorial I will talk about paragraphs, and then we shall see what will come next. Thanks for watching. I will see you there.